Okay, now here we have a really nice piece. This is Edo period, and hang on, let me get a little bit closer. Okay, so what we're talking about here is we'll have the whole set. Striker, I'm going to include, this is real deal Japanese incense. You'll find this in the shrines and temples, made from the matsu tree, and it's really nice stuff. This is good. This is expensive stuff. Okay, now bell, huge size, and look at the patina on this. This is old. This is old school. Probably talking around, oh, let's see, early 1800s, something on those lines. Maker's mark in there, and a little bit of cracking in the stand with the lacquer, but essentially it's pretty good. I mean, it's pretty good indeed. This particular design, it's really nice. Okay, now I managed to get hold of this striker because the other one, it was in such poor condition. I had to, sometimes you have to do that, sadly, but it's a very light strike, but it's just awesome to get them this size and this old and not cracked. Beautiful sound. Yeah, fantastic. So as I was going to say, okay, you receive the strike, you receive the incense, bell, cushion, stand, works, and we'll go through it in a second. That's a nice bell. The size is amazing. I mean, this is a big bell. Yeah, this is a beauty. Look at that. That's a very nice bell. I'm going to list that one, the Beast, a bit later on. Okay, now let's have a look here. Nice cushion, and as you can see, really nice old stand. Right, that's all comprised of wood, the way it's made, and it's all fitted together via the wood itself. It's really lovely. As you can see, there a little bit of cracking here and there, just whether that's the pieces they put them together or it's I presume it's just cracking from the lacquer, but still a little bit of cracking in there. But for what it is, it's just really good. A really, really great piece. So, okay, so all of this you receive, and it's going to be a very good price. To get something of this age, I say, you know, look at that. Look at the patina on this. That's age right there. Yeah. I'd say this design is Edo period, so this is... I personally think that this bell is quite a bit older. But, that's that. Alright. Okay, I think I might show the Beast a bit later. But it has kanji all around it to show all the monks down the ages of the temple. That's just cool. Anyways, my battery's running out. That's a different listing altogether. But this is a very good set and excellent for the price. And my battery's saying red, red, red. I have another one over there. So, right then, get on to that.